Hi everyone, Miss Campbell here, and I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Blogger if this is your first time creating a blog. So when you go to Blogger, you might get a page that's a little bit different than this, which is completely okay. I am just going to show you based on this page because this is what came up when I opened a new account on Blogger. So you should be using your Vernon Hills High School student account to log into Blogger. So your blog will be attached to your email account through the school. And so if anyone comments on your blog, you can get email updates, but of course you can change that in settings later. So I'm going to hit the button create blog. Again, your page might look a little bit different, but you want to create blog. The first thing that comes up is to choose a name for your blog. Now you can do something basic, such as Ms. Campbell's World Literature Blog. Very basic. If you want to do something more clever, you can. My blog title is Ms. Campbell's Soup of the Day because I want it to be a little bit more creative and personal. It is up to you to do it. Just make sure it is appropriate for class. Next, choose a URL for your blog. So congratulations, you get your own website address. It makes us all feel like very cool and professional. So you are going to create your own address and it will end with .blogspot.com. I suggest calling your web link whatever the title of your blog is. So I'm going to do Ms. Campbell's World Literature Blog. This address is available. So if you look below, it says it's available. If I were to do something else, like Ms. Campbell's World Lit blog, it would tell me, sorry, this blog address is not available. There's another Ms. Campbell out there who has a World Lit blog. So you just want to make sure that you choose something that is available, and you might want to tweak your address. I'm going to hit save. And it's brought me to this page. It might ask you about themes to start with, or you can select the theme of your blog over here on the left-hand side. This will give you a different design for your blog. There's other things you can do as well, like you can change the layout, you can change the pages, but that's all higher level stuff. All I want is your actual blog. So if you go down to this left-hand corner, you're going to hit View Blog. This is what my blog looks like on the internet. So this is what everyone can see. You want to copy this web address, and this is what you are going to submit to your teacher so they have access to your blog. So this is the address that your teacher will use, your classmates will use. If you want to share it with friends and family, share this address so people can see your blog. All right. So when you go back on this page, this is your editing page, and I want you to notice that your editing page is a blogger.com URL. No one else can access your editing page except for you. The thing that you want to submit for everyone to view is this viewable URL here. Something that Blogger might ask you about is your name, how you want your name to be shown on Blogger. You can choose to use just your first name or your first name and first initial of your last name if you're more comfortable, since this is a public platform. As long as your teacher knows that it is your blog, that's what matters. Do not use any anonymous names. Please just use your first name and your last name if you're comfortable. All right, and that is how to create a new blog.